All right, how do you pronounce your last name?
Dwelly.
All right, why were you late for court?
Yeah, I don't.
No, you were not here at 9.
I called the court judge and said that I was gonna be late.
No, he was late. I called the docket at 9 a.m. So why were you late? All right, so what is the issue? Why are you not doing what you're supposed to do?
I had deleted the Facebook, but I didn't deactivate it fully.
Why is that?
I just deleted it like out of my phone because I was
For well, here's the thing. Is there a reason we're doing ISF cognitive if the issue is, one, he deleted his deleted his Facebook. And I know with regards to this defendant, I remember this case, there are some cognitive issues going on with him. Why are we doing ISF? Are we doing it for punishment? Or is there something else?
Today, in Judge Boyd's court, we have a double feature that promises to shed light on the complexities of accountability and adherence to probation requirements. Because probation requirements are exactly that, and not probation recommendations. But in our first case, we find ourselves confronted with a defendant who has committed Judge Boyd's cardinal sin of courtroom etiquette, arriving late without a good excuse. And he blamed it on his 3-week-old infant. Can you believe the audacity? Judge Boyd will surely chew him out for that. Stay tuned to see her response. The second case is featuring a defendant who violated one of his probation conditions, as he is mandated to stop using social media, and it was discovered that he still had a Facebook account. Although he claims he deleted the app from his phone physically, he was supposed to delete the entire account, which he did not do.
All right, how do you pronounce your last name?
Dwelly.
All right, why were you late for court?
Yeah, I don't.
No, you were not here at 9.
I called the court judge and said that I was gonna be late.
No, he was late. I called the docket at 9 a.m. So why were you late?
Probably getting the baby ready.
All right, why are you bringing a baby down here?
I have no one to watch.
Well, who's with the baby now?
Oh.
I'm sorry, who?
My wife.
All right, so again, why are you bringing a baby down here if you have your wife to take care of a baby?
She wanted to come.
Do not bring a child down to the court unnecessarily. This courthouse is germy. It's filled with germs. Your baby is still being pushed in a carriage, which tells me your child cannot walk. Is that correct?
Yes.
How old is your child?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
Yes.
You bringing a 3-week baby to a germy courthouse. His immune system is less than 0 to pick up germs. And I believe that everyone here is presumed to be innocent, right? But you don't know who's walking around here. There are some people who are on probation who are registered sex offenders, and you bringing an infant down here who's barely 3 weeks old, who should be at the home, right? And let me just tell you something. The fact that people have infants and they bring them down here, that's me acknowledging that you have an infant, but bringing an infant is not to sway me. You understand?
I understand.
Do not bring the infant. What's your child's name?
Tyler.
Do not bring Tyler down here again. He did not expect to be given to you as a child and have to come to a felony court with all these germs. You understand? All right, where are we on this case? Discovery.
The state has extended an offer of pretrial diversion. We're asking for a reset. There's additional material that I would like to provide them in hopes that they will just dismiss it outright.
All right, I need a 30-day reset for PTD. All right, you'll be back on April 25th. If you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. State of Texas versus Daniel Renee Flores. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Todd Lesher for Mr. Flores.
Are you Mr. Flores?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you the same Daniel Renee Flores who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 9660 for the offense of indecency with the child exposure on June 20th, 2023 for a period of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Your Honor, violated condition number 22A. On or about the 12th day of October, 2023, in Bear County, Texas, The defendant, Daniel Rene Flores, did then and there fail to comply with the instructions, of the Bear County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Sex Offender Program in violation, I apologize, in which the defendant failed to report a Facebook username.
All right, just one moment. Let's go off the record for a moment. The judgment in this case is not correct. So we're going to have the judgment corrected. So that should take us about 10 minutes, maybe.
I was unaware of this.
Oh, no, the judgment that was entered in the record doesn't show this as an indecency.
Oh.
So that needs to be corrected. It won't take that long to get it corrected. So if y'all will have a seat and we'll come right back.
Absolutely, Judge.
All right, we're back on the record. All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation 22A, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of 22A? All right. So what is the issue? Mr. Flores, you want to raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Daniel Flores.
All right, so what is the issue? Why are you not doing what you're supposed to do?
I had deleted the Facebook, but I didn't deactivate it fully.
Why is that?
I just deleted it like out of my phone. Cause I had deleted it with the probation officer right there, like the whole app with her. And I just didn't go, like I never went back to deactivate it. I just deleted the app.
So are you saying you deleted the app when? When you were placed on probation or after?
When I was placed on probation, and she had went through my phone and asked me if I had it, and I said, yes, I had it. And we had deleted it from there. But I never deactivated it fully.
All right. So the question is there any evidence that he has been using Facebook?
Past that, or what the exact nature of the social media is, Your Honor, the state does not have further information on it.
All right. Probation? Is this your recommendation? All right. And I will tell both parties, I do remember this case, and I know there's some cognitive issues that are going on. All right. The court will deny the motion. Alternate amend conditions for well, here's the thing. Is there a reason we're doing ISF cognitive if the issue is, one, he deleted his deleted his Facebook app with the probation officer. The probation officer showed him how to delete it. He deleted it. And I know with regards to this defendant, I remember this case, there are some cognitive issues going on with him. Why are we doing ISF? Are we doing it for punishment? Or is there something else?
Judge, it's my understanding that in relation to the totality of the motion that the state put in front of you, we are pleading true to that one allegation. However, it is kind of it's a punishment, really,
Okay.
Judge.
All right. And you're still on oath. Do you live at home by yourself or with someone else?
I was living with, when I got on probation, I was staying with my tia.
So where are you living now? I mean, have you been living with your aunt?
No, man.
Okay, where had you been living?
I was, well, yeah, I was staying with my aunt.
All
But
right,
then there was issues at the house that the probation officer wanted my aunt to do. And she didn't want to do all that, so I started looking for a place, and then that's when I got the ATR.
all right. Because I see in here that there is a placement of Halloween decorations.
Yes, there was my probation officer had said something about that, and it was just a little pumpkin. I didn't even notice it either.
Okay. All right. Do you have a place to stay?
Right now, no, I do not.
All right. All right. We'll alternate amend for ISF then. And make sure you let them know that you don't have a place to stay. so that they can start working on perhaps finding a place for you to stay.
That's the really issue, the place to stay. That's the really issue because where I live for most of my life, there's a school right behind it.
All
Which
right.
was with my mom. So when I got on probation, I was at the Haven for over 2 weeks. And then my dad offered to take me in her place. And the probation officer went by and she wanted all this stuff to get, took me down from the house and my dad just didn't want to go through with it. So I
All right.
started looking for a place after that, but it's hard to look for a place right now.
So this is what we're going to do. You're going to go to ISF, make sure you let them know and let probation know that you do not have a place to stay. And then what we will do is if things don't work out with probation, you still don't have a place to stay, you can come back to the court and let us know and we'll see what we can do.
Can I,
Attorneys will always tell you stop while you're ahead. All right, but if there's an issue, you can come back to this court. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.